Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I shared with you that the next targets for Bitcoin are $96,000 and $99,000. These levels were derived from past areas of high volume, as well as key support and resistance zones. If you've been following my yellow horizontal lines, you'll see Bitcoin has been tracking them perfectly so far. That said, I have to admit, without the heat map, I would have never thought we'd dip into the $90,000 range just 2 days ago. Now, looking at the 1 week and 2 week liquidation heat maps, we see a clear hot pocket starting at $97,400 and stretching well above $100,000. This is the next target zone for the coming days, and it's heating up fast. In the news, there's been some major talk about executive orders that could shake up the crypto space. Reports suggest these orders will tackle issues like debanking and repealing a controversial crypto accounting policy. This policy currently forces banks holding digital assets to count them as liabilities on their balance sheets, a huge deterrent for institutions looking to enter the market. A Washington Post article even highlighted that a specialized team is working closely with crypto leaders on these initiatives. It's clear that his administration, if it follows through, sees crypto as a strategic priority. And the predictions? Forbes is making some wild calls with a $5 million Bitcoin price tag. According to their report, crypto executive orders could create a massive price boom, especially as the Federal Reserve faces growing economic challenges. It's funny how bullish news always seems to surface when the price starts trending up. For the moon believers out there, don't forget, we had a full moon on the 13th, and historically, that's been bullish more often than not. As for me, I still have my positions, with entries at $102,000, and I'll continue to monitor the market closely. If you want real-time insights on entries and exits, make sure to join my free Discord. Don't forget to like this video if you got value out of it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to stay updated with my latest videos. And see you in the next one.